Tapat na inamin ng actress na si Max Collins, na hindi siya naniniwala sa kasal. Inamin ito ng actress sa isang panayam. Si Max ay 8 taong kasal, sa kanyang partner na si Pancho Magno. Sila ay ikinasal noong 2017, ngunit noong pandemic ay naghiwalay ang dalawa. Kaya sa isang panayam ay inamin ni Max, na hindi umano basehan kasal sa pagmamahal ng isang tao. Ako, I don't believe in marriage. No. I'm sorry. I don't. I mean, I don't personally. I believe in marriage for everyone else. I think for me, I feel like hindi yun yung basehan of what love means to be married, no. You can still love each other, and be together without being married, sabi ni Max. You can still love each other, and be together without being married, you know. It's really a commitment, so even if you marry each other, that doesn't mean you'll be together forever, dagdag pa ng actress.